Hey guys, it's Miss Tate,
Mr. Morales.
and we're here again to talk to you about scientists. Yesterday we looked at at least three videos of scientists and some things they discovered and how they did that. And then we had you write just a couple sentences on what you think a scientist does. Well, today we're going to look at some videos that's going to talk more in depth about what scientists actually do. It's going to talk about some of the tools they use, and it's going to use some of the terms that we need to learn in this chapter of what scientists do. So Mr. Morales is going to bring up on the computer and show you what you're actually going to see as you're doing this assignment.
All right, thanks, Miss Tate. Let's pull it up. So we've already learned how to get into Think Central, and we've already learned how to log in and everything like that. So in your Google Classroom, you'll see this under classwork, right? What do scientists do? And then it'll be a link to Think Central. And then when you go to things to do, this is what you'll see, okay? So we'll click start. And it's
what do you think evidence is? And how do you think scientists use it?
It's gonna start talking and we can't hear over it, but
we need to go back to one, too.
Yeah, I went back to one. So each of these videos will talk to you and it'll tell you about, you know, what scientists do, what we're talking about, evidence, hypothesis, and different things.
At the top, it has the title of what we're doing. So you know you're on the right video because at the top it says, what do scientists do? So you know you're in the right one. And at any time, you can pause this and rewind also.
Yes, exactly. So you can pause and rewind. And here's the thing. If you skip forward, we can tell. Okay, because we can tell exactly how much time you've spent on every one of these slides. So if I only spend 2 seconds on each slide, me and Miss Tate are going to know you guys didn't actually do the work. All right, no getting around it. I'm sorry to tell you.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, so we're going to hit next. It's probably going to be loud. Nope. But it might ask you a question. Okay, I'm not going to give you the answer for this question, but it's interactive. We'll be able to see your answers. We can reset it if we think that maybe you haven't grasped this concept quite yet and want you to kind of do it again maybe, or maybe we need to review those sort of things, right? So you can click and then you'll click OK, and that's how you'll submit your answer. Like I said, I'm not giving you an answer, but and then it's going to talk some more about what is evidence. And just different processes that scientists use. So as you can see down here, there are 9 slides, right? Talking about all sorts of different things and skills and tools that scientists use. So make your way through these. And in terms of...
Guys, they're interactive. They got, you can click on all these things and they'll tell you what it means. If it brings up any kind of vocab words, you can click on the vocab word. It'll give you a definition. Just take your time, and you'll notice that a lot of times that the vocab words are in bold. I know on the slide before this, Mr. Morales had hypothesis, and it was bold. So you know that's a word that might be a good vocabulary word.
Definitely.
It'll read fresh, or maybe. There you go.
So when we click on that, it'll actually open up a new page.
Gives you the definition of your word right there.
And if there are other words you don't know, you can actually scroll through here and take a look, which is really kind of cool, I gotta say. I know we don't want to show them the whole thing, Miss Tate. How much more do you want to show them?
Oh, we better not show them the whole thing. No, we want to keep it fun.
Surprise.
Yeah. Okay, so there will be a couple more slides. As you see, there's 3 of 9. There'll be a slide that's going to ask you some questions, make you fill out just some short answers. But guys, it's really neat. Just go through here. It will keep your answers so that we can go back and check it. So this is actually your assignment. So you don't just put silly stuff on here, because if you do, you're going to get a silly grade. Yep. So go through here, put your answers in, and let us know if you have any problems with this. By this time, most of you should already be logged into Science Fusion, so you should be okay with that. If you have a problem, contact me or Mr. Morales tomorrow. We'll have our Zoom opened up during the day, as we always do, and then we'll have the Zoom opened up at night. So you'll have 2 different times to get on Zoom with us. And of course, you can send us a Dojo. Go into Dojo, send us a message. You can send us a message through Google Classroom, or you can also just send us a message through just the regular emailing. Okay, so you got several ways to contact us. No reason to say you couldn't contact us because we are all out there for you. So other than that, I just go and look and discover more of the ways that or how we can define the scientist.
Yes. Because this is going to be our basis for everything we learn this year. We have to first start with what are scientists and what do they do?
And then we're going to the scientific method and all kinds of cool things to come, guys. So
Definitely.
just hang in there, get this stuff going, and have fun. Science is fun. Okay? Have any questions? Contact us. Other than that, do your work.
Do your work. Get it
Do your
done.
work.
Get it done.
All right, guys. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.